Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ASUS ROG Phone 7. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here in the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, we'll be able to open this app. And here's a little introduction that you can learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. So here next is to customize your homepage using wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Let's click on the next, and here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can skip it by clicking on Not Now. And lastly, accept or disagree with the data sharing. Click on Confirm, and the browser should be ready. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.